It's time to do your due diligence period. When you have a house under contract, a crucial step is conducting an inspection. The sweet spot for due diligence period is right between 5 to 10 days. This time frame allows you to carry out inspections and ensure the house is in good condition. Once your contract is accepted, this due diligence period begins. During this time, a professional inspector will examine key aspects of the house, including plumbing, electrical systems, structure, HVAC lifespan, and roof condition. After the inspection, you'll receive a detailed report highlighting both positive and negative aspects. Don't be shocked when you get a very lengthy report back. This doesn't mean that the house is in disarray. They're just simply pointing out all the pertinent details, such as the age of the water heater or any potential issues like a questionable foundation or roof. If any issues are found, specialists can be called in for a closer look to determine if repairs are needed immediately or if they should be just monitored. It is beneficial to be present at the inspection's conclusion to understand significant findings and familiarize yourself with essential elements like shut-off valves, and HVAC locations. It's important not to bring friends claiming construction knowledge, as only the opinion of a certified inspection holds weight in negotiations. The inspector should be certified and insured to protect you from any potential liabilities during the inspection. If significant issues are identified and you're not willing to deal with them, the due diligence period allows you to negotiate repairs, credits, or a price reduction with the seller. If necessary, you can cancel the transaction without penalty and recover your earnest money. Remember, there is no risk in moving forward with a serious offer, as the due diligence period provides a safety net. After determining the duration of this period, you'll also decide on a closing date. Good luck and see you in the next step.